Welcome to another episode of Women Series, where we capture developments and stories that impact women. On today's episode, we'll be looking at the Motherhood Nigeria Initiative launch of the Project Safe Birth, the Association of Household Employee Management Reform of the Domestic Staffing Industry, and Nigeria's Irenosen Okojie's win of the 2020 AKO Caine Prize. First, let's begin with the update of Motherhood Nigeria Initiative's launch of the Project Safe Birth. According to the World Health Organization, Nigeria accounts for 20% of all global maternal deaths happen and also the largest country in Africa. The high number of maternal deaths in Nigeria, especially in the rural communities, is due to unequal access to health services, and a safe birth kit with essential items will protect the lives of mothers and babies during childbirth from infection. According to the Executive Director and founder of Motherhood Nigeria Initiative, a women-led NGO with a mission to improve the maternal and child health in underserved communities in Nigeria, Motherhood Nigeria Initiative has launched the Project Safe Birth to reach out to pregnant women in underserved communities with a focus to educate and provide free safe birth kits to them. In her words, Mrs. Abiodun Alabi said, the safe birth kits contain items that prevent infection, which is one of the leading causes of maternal and infant mortality. The kit includes items such as sterile blades, sterile gloves, antiseptic soap and disinfection, cord clamp, mucus extractor, maternity pads, and mentholated spirits. As these basic items have a huge impact in preventing or responding to complications during childbirth. Since inception, the NGO has trained women in 5 states in Nigeria as change agents for maternal and child health in communities closest to them. This was made possible through the members of their online community for mothers and mothers-to-be for almost 6 years. In June 2020, the Project Safe Birth was launched and it has reached more than 50 pregnant women with free safe birth kits in 2 states. Aside from focusing on improving maternal and neonatal health, increasing the quality of lives of mothers and newborns with provision of free safe birth kits for pregnant women, as well as providing health education and advisory, the project will also embark on family planning awareness for both mothers and their spouses. Project Safe Birth's target is to provide 10,000 safe birth kits to pregnant women in rural communities in Nigeria before the end of 2020. Also, in light of several irregularities and unpleasant stories making the rounds regarding the domestic staffing industry in recent times, a group of concerned stakeholders have decided to come together to create structure that would regularize and sanitize the industry, as well as chart a positive way forward to stem the said irregularities and ugly practices. Coming together under the support of the Association of Household Employee Management, the group recently held its inaugural meeting via Zoom. The association was born out of the need to establish structure and organization in the area of human resources and development, specifically for domestic staff. Issues raised at the meeting include processes and guidelines for staff training on housekeeping, childcare and cooking, background and medical checks, conflict resolution, underage domestic abuse, need for identity and database management, and so on, for which solutions will be preferred in subsequent months. In attendance were over 50 founders and representatives of domestic staffing agencies, nanny agencies, as well as individual agents. In another development, Nigeria's Irenosen Okojie last week was named the 2020 AKO Caine Prize winner. She's the 7th Nigerian to win the prize, which was inaugurated in 2000. In the past 21 years, Nigeria has won a third of the prize, with Kenya coming second at 4. The Caine Prize is awarded yearly to an African writer of a short story published in English, and the winner received £10,000 prize money, and each shortlisted writer also received £500. There were 2 other Nigerians on the list: Chikodili Emelu Madu for What to Do When Your Child Brings Home a Mami Water, and Joho for Fisherman's Stew. The prize received entries from 28 countries this year. And speaking after, Okojie said she was delighted and overwhelmed being named the winner, and it was not something she expected at all. Her first novel, Butterfly Fish, won a Betty Trax Award in 2016. She was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society of Literature in 2018, has received a nomination for a number of awards, and has been a judge for other literary competitions. She's currently an art project manager and curator based in London, and her writing has been published in the New York Times, The Observer, The Guardian, the BBC, and the Huffington Post. She's also a contributor to the 2019 anthology New Daughters of Africa, edited by Margaret Busby. And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Women series. Do connect with us on our social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, with the details showing on your screen. You could also send me an email and share with me your experiences at programs@ProShareNG.com. Till next week when I come your way again, thank you for watching, and bye for now.